In 1866, a Catholic priest named Gregor Mendel published a paper that described how breeding pea plants with specific traits caused predictable outcomes in which traits were inherited and passed from generation to generation. He called this the law of inheritance and showed that some traits were dominant over others. Little did Mendel know that his pioneering research would help lead to the development of the study of genetics and biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of living organisms to make products or modify processes. Research into genetics eventually revealed the existence of DNA, a molecule that contains the code that determines the structure of all living things. By manipulating DNA, we are able to change organisms so that they do specific things or behave in specific ways. This is the basis of biotechnology. While this may seem like a strange idea, many examples of biotechnology are in use today. Genetic engineering has been used to create genetically modified crops that are resistant to disease. Drugs, such as synthetic insulin and gene-silencing drugs that suppress the effects of harmful genetic disorders, are also the products of biotechnology. Because of these obvious benefits, biotechnology is a rapidly growing field of research and development. Our quality of life and our understanding of genetics have been greatly improved in recent years thanks to biotechnology. However, there have been some important ethical questions raised about biotechnology and how far it should be allowed to advance. For instance, should parents have the right to control the traits of their children? And how can we be sure the power of genetic modification will be used for the good of society and not as a weapon?